Yes, it can hold 180 pounds. What's up, guys, and welcome back to 5 Minute Fridays. Bath and shower tips, tricks, and how-tos. In this quick video, we will show you how to hang a barn door in a bathroom. Let me quickly show you the opening here. So here is our opening, the toilet room. We are going to hang our barn door up here. Hardware is at the top. Let's quickly show you the hardware and quickly show you the barn door. So here is our slab. There's the barn door. This will be attached to our hardware here. Of course, links will be in the description below with specs and pricing on this, but easy install. We'll show you how to do it. Here we go. Here's the barn door slab. Beautiful finish. We've got the dark that'll complement the espresso finish on the cabinets. So here's our top track. This needs to be cut down to 68. Let's cut it down. Safety first, ear protection, eye protection, hand protection, and install a guard on your grinder if you can. I don't have one today. Let's do this. We've got our marks here, 2 inches from the edge. We're gonna drill a hole on that side as well as that side to mount our hangers, like so. So quick tip, we're not gonna drill all the way through because it'll blow out in the back. We're gonna drill through until the tip slightly pierces on the other side, and then we'll drill from this side for a clean hole. Alright, and we're good. Now we don't want to mess up the powder coat on these bolts, so cover them when you tighten them down. Pre-drill for your large lag bolts. So we have our pre-drilled holes for our lag bolts. All right, so we got the hanger up. Yes, it can hold 180 pounds. And there you are, quick and easy. Barn door installation. And as you can see, this complements the cabinets very, very well. Well, there you go, guys. Thank you for watching this 5 Minute Friday bath and shower how-tos, tips and tricks, barn door installation. It turned out great. Everything looks good. Everything matches well with the cabinets. Everything complements each other. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and most importantly, share this video if you know anybody who might find it useful, and I'll see you on the next one.